Hello, this is Darin Martineau, and in this video, I'm going to talk about my new awesome product, which is called New Super Visual Color Changes Volume 2, and I've got it on Penguin Magic now. It is live. It's $9.99. You're going to get 12 amazing color changes and new card magic routines. I have my gradual ghost color change, which is my newest version of my original Eclipse half and half color change, as used by Shin Lim on a Spanish TV special. I have the blink change, 1, 2, and 3, three versions of that. I have Shadow Aces, which is a quadruple color change. I have the new Phantom Monty, which is my version of the Al Leech effect. 3+1 change, which is my variation of an Al Leech effect. As a result of an error, which is a really cool two selection effect with the color change. So not only are you going to get color changes, but you're going to get awesome routines with them as well. I have my quadruple cut, my Six Senses card routine, which is my multiple selection routine on here. So come on over and check it out on Penguin Magic. I have volume 1 as well, which I'll talk about in another video. But thank you very much. Please subscribe to the channel, and thank you.